Saw DyeMansion at Formnext back in 2017. Was really impressed with the surface finishing and the colouring of the parts. The workflow just makes it really easy to process the parts. And the DyeMansion team have been really good explaining the process and understanding it to then make an informed decision to go ahead and purchase the system. The DyeMansion system is simple to use. The technology is tried and trusted. The colouring system just is very, very good for getting repeatability, which is what my clients want. But it's funny, our clients were always commenting on the superior quality of our parts before we had DyeMansion. So we were doing something different anyway, but now we've added the DyeMansion system, they've noticed even better surface finish, which is just adding to the quality of the parts they're receiving.